Hello and welcome back to another video. Today, as you see, we're gonna be talking about the names of the rooms in Greek. So, before we start, be generous and hit the like button if you like this video and also subscribe to my channel to learn more. Rooms of a house. Δωμάτια σπιτιού. Το δωμάτιο, τα δωμάτια. Το δωμάτιο, room, it is neutral, in singular. Τα δωμάτια, in plural, σπιτιού. Το σπίτι, in singular. Τα σπίτια, in plural. Το, τα. You can see my videos about the definite article in my channel. So, let's see the first room that you live in it and you enjoy your company, your guests, you accept your guests in there. You have a big TV screen and you may watch TV series, Netflix, etc. The living room. The living room in Greek is called saloni. So, the living room in Greek is saloni. 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 And the article that we use in front of this substantive is the neutral to. To saloni. To saloni. It is the singular. And in plural is ta salonia. Ta salonia. To saloni, ta salonia. So, the next room that you spend hours and hours in it and you may have pleasure times with your friends and with your family is the dining room. Dining room in Greek is called trapezaria. Trapezaria. I is the feminine article. I trapezaria. I trapezaria in singular and in plural is I trapezaries. We use omicron iota to show that this substantive is in plural. I trapezaries. I trapezaria. I trapezaries. So in the next room you spend the most valuable hours of your life because in this room you permit the body to rest and be prepared for the next day. This is the bedroom and in Greek is called krevatokamara. The article that we use is I, is a feminine. I krevatokamara. I krevatokamara. This is a compound word consisting of krevato. This is krevati. Krevati is the bed and kamara is the room. In another video, I will talk about the furniture of each room that we learn today. So, krevati and kamara, krevatokamara. In plural is I krevatokameres. Again, we use the omicron iota to define the plural form. I krevatokamara in singular, I krevatokameres in plural. I krevatokamara, I krevatokameres. If you cook well and you don't order every time food, you're going to need a kitchen. Kitchen in Greek is kouzina. Kouzina. Again, we use the feminine article I kouzina. And in plural, as here, we use the omicron iota. I kouzines. I kouzina, I kouzines. And last but not least, the room that you need for the matter of hygiene is the bathroom. Bathroom in Greek is banyo. Banyo. We use the neutral article to. Banyo. To banyo. And in plural, ta banya. You should be very attentive in matters of pronunciation for this letter, the ni letter. Ba, the ni with the iota letter is banyo. Nyo. Not banyo, but banyo. Nyo. Not nio. Nyo. Το μπάνιο, τα μπάνια. I hope this video was very helpful. If it is, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. And you can write me in the comments the videos that you want to see in the future and the things that you want to learn. Thank you very much.